Hello from Slovenia again. In my yesterday's live stream video I did some glove dips and I talked a lot about different types of dips, so you can still revisit this video if you didn't be there. So this is similar like a balloon kiss or whatever you want to call it, but I like to use my glove as an object that I will dip with, and I will blow this glove up. And of course I will and I like this more because it's more flexible than balloon, or balloons here in Slovenia are like that, so I don't know. I talked about that yesterday too. So this is my tool that I will dip with, and I will try. Yesterday when I demonstrate how I do this, I just dip in and I wasn't completely focused on my composition, but today I just want to do a little thing here, or maybe a little more here, not totally in the middle. I will start here and I will do puddles again, and I will go with 3 today. So this is Amsterdam greenish blue, and next is my pearl white. Just a second. I add a little water because it was a little thick and obviously didn't mix it quite okay. And permanent red violet, but it's not, something that I could be worried about. So, and next will be this, next will be 24 karat gold, and this is my mixture of Naples yellow and Azo yellow dip Amsterdam, and again a little bit of greenish blue and some white, again pearl white, and some violet. And I will not speed this up for somebody that wants maybe to see, and next ones maybe I will spin my video, that you will not be bored. I talked about this technique a lot yesterday, so if still there will be something that you want to know, you can revisit. So basically now I will dip down and pull my glove to one side to give it not this, just down and up. So let's see how it will go. Down and to this side. Okay. I will, of course, wipe my my glove for the next one, because there wasn't enough color. And now I will do one here and try to, connect them in a way. So here is a close-up. I did a little something here because before this wasn't there, so, and maybe I will scrape this part off to leave this just black, but otherwise, sorry, you see my camera instead of what I'm showing you. I love all those flowers, have to say, and the details are just amazing. And this one, these little ones, probably this one is my favorite, I don't know why. And this gold and yellow together here, just amazing. Or probably this one would be my favorite one. So I'm really happy with it. Turned out pretty much as I wanted to. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.